Hi, I'm Daniel Epstein, and I will be teaching you about regular expressions in MySQL. This video will go through a set of commands and examples on how to use them. Feel free to pause this video at any time if you want to attempt the examples on your own. Regular expressions allow you to compare inputted strings against a pattern that you have already defined. This could be done with a series of if statements, but regular expressions are much more succinct. With the like command, you can only match one or many of any given character. What if you wanted to match a specific kind of character, like a digit or a punctuation? This would be impossible with the like command, but very easy to do with regular expressions. The statement format is pretty straightforward. You just need to put a statement in the where clause with either regexp or rlike. There are also ways to do it in the select statement, but I won't be showing you how to do those in this talk. The first concept I'd like to teach is what are called character classes. There's some predefined character classes that will represent either letters, numbers, spaces, or uppercase characters. But then you can also define your own character set. If you have a whole bunch of digits or letters in succession, you can just put the lowest one and then a hyphen and then the largest one, and that'll match any character in the set. You can also put the caret in a character set, and it'll match any character that is not in the set already. Let's say you wanted to match anyone who lived on a particular block. This should be pretty easy to do with the expressions I've taught you already. You can define anyone who lives between the address 100 and 189. You can use the predefined space class in order to find any spaces. Now onto some more complicated commands. If you put a caret outside of the brackets, it'll denote the beginning of the string. If you put a $sign at the end, it'll denote the end of a string. You use a period to match any character, and this can be combined with the quantifiers if you want to match 0, 1, or more, or however of any given character. If a character is already used in regex, then you need to escape it if you wanted to actually match it. Like if you wanted to match a price, then you would have to put a backslash and then the $sign because the $sign has another meaning already. So let's just say you had a set of strings and you wanted to find all of the decimal values. This can be done fairly easily. We already have the digit defined class. The plus sign will match one or more of any of a given digit. And then the caret and the $sign are used to match the entire string, which is used to eliminate choices like the last one, where there's a string followed by a decimal value, and that doesn't actually qualify as a decimal, so you want to remove that. And then you need to escape the period, because otherwise it'll match any character, and you only want to match the period character. A few final commands. If you put anything in curly braces, it'll match that many number of times, and then you can also use the vertical bar to match an or between two different statements. And then finally, let's say you wanted to see if your string contained either two capital letters in a row or a $sign. This can be done pretty easily. We already have the uppercase character class, and then you can define your own quantifier that'll match two or more. You need to escape the $sign because it's already used elsewhere, and you put an or in between. Thank you for paying attention to my presentation, and good luck with regular expressions in the future.